Hello guys, good afternoon, and today's video we're gonna take you to Bohol. So this is Negros Island, the city of Dumaguete. This is pier in Dumaguete where you can take a boat crossing to uh, different islands. So we're going to Bohol and we're waiting for our boat. It was around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, our scheduled time for departure. And it will take us from Dumaguete to Bohol. It will take us for 2 hours drive. So now here we are now. We are heading to our boat. So you can see those people lining up. Those people are all going to Bohol. So those, see, here am I. Here I am. So now we are here. This is Dumaguete. And now here we're still lining up. See how clear the water is. You can even see some fishes. So here, that other boat will be going to another island. So this boat, this white and blue is going to Bohol. It is an ocean jet. We have taken ocean jet. It was an air conditioning it ano siya air condition na boat. And this big one boat also is going to different island. So this is the sitting inside of the boat. That's Ronald. And here you are. At this time, there are so many tourists going to Bohol. Not only Filipino, I mean other like nationalities. So now we are leaving. Here we are. Now we've reached now here in Bohol. So after long 2 hours sitting in the boat, finally we've reached here. So now we are heading out, and we found when you go outside from the pier, you can see so many so many multi-cabs will to take you to wherever you want to go. So we have hired one van to take us to the hotel. So now we've reached in the hotel. This is our room. This is just sitting in front of the sea. So here, as you can see, it's just very 1 minute walking distance from the sea. So where you can request for island hopping, snorkeling, diving. So people come in this place. So this is the so many boats. We're staying in Panglao. This is Panglao, Bohol. So many boats. Those are for island hoppings, not for fishing. It's for island hoppings, or if you want snorkeling, like that kind of service they offer. It's a nice place. Actually, it's not dirty. It's just like those seaweeds na during high tide, they will flush it in the. So now we just go for a walk and ride this. There's one next hotel here also. It is a beautiful place. We really enjoyed here, and we have stayed 5 days here in Bohol, Panglao, Bohol, because we've stayed a little longer because we had explored different tourist spot in Bohol. So this is the Amarella. This is a nice place as well. So this place is quite expensive, for one night you have to pay around 7,000 peso for one night. So it's quite pricey, but of course with all the facilities, and hey, we came to enjoy. So this is only once in a while. You're not gonna do it every day or every month. We went to Philippines after 6 years, so we don't mind spending a little bit and to indulge ourselves into nice things. So once in a while we enjoy and relax. So well, anyway, money can come and go, but time is never come back again. So we might as well enjoy and relax. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you for watching. I just want to show you how beautiful the Bohol is. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye.